Hi there everybody, and welcome back to the channel here. Today I have a pretty exciting video for you guys, or at least I'm pretty excited for it. I'm driving to a spot right now where a new project car awaits us. We've actually owned the car for quite a while now, and we've slowly been putting parts together for it and getting it ready. But I figure what time better than now than to introduce you guys to it. So without giving away too much information here, the car sat for about 26 years without being used since 1994 it was used. So it does need a lot of work, but you know, we're pretty optimistic about everything we're going to do to it. So without talking too much, let me just cut to me arriving and show you guys what we got going on. All right, so here she is. It's a 1980 Chevy Camaro Berlinetta option, so it's got all the gadgets and everything, or at least it used to. Rear defrost like we were just talking about. But as you guys can see here, there's no engine, there's no transmission, so it's just a roller right now. But this thing was a setup for a 1/8 mile drag racing, and came with these wheels and tires on it. Pro Stars, these things are sweet. I think, what brand are they actually?
They're Krager, they're Bob Glidden edition.
Oh wow.
Pro
Yeah, look at that.
Wheels.
Awesome. These are the best looking wheels on these cars, I think. At least for drag racing. But obviously gonna need new tires and stuff, but the rims will probably stay. I don't want to change them at least, you don't, do you?
No,
Okay.
no way.
But like I said, it's set for 1/8 mile drag racing, so
513 gears.
yeah, 513 gears.
It's got a Chevy 12 bolt.
Mm-hmm. Don't mind the cold snacks down here. Yeah, Chevy 12 bolt down here, so it's a nice beefy rear end. We can probably do a gear swap on it so we can actually run the 1/4 mile in it. Let's see over here underneath the table. That's a turbo 400 transmission. That's probably junk that we bought for it.
It's got a trans brake in it.
Right. So I think it has all the good parts, but we might have to do some rebuilding for it. But as you guys can see, this paint job on this thing, it's a 90s time capsule. Just absolutely beautiful. Some people will probably hate it, but I love it. Custom paint job, obviously. Banana yellow, just like Nick's other Camaro. You guys can see it in the channel description up top there. Interior here, set up for drag racing, of course. Nice big tack, all the gauges we need. It's a reverse shifter, right?
Yeah, reverse manual valve.
Yeah.
So that's what was in it.
All the goodie parts here. Firewall back there. I mean, this thing is set up. But like I was talking about in the car, this thing hasn't seen the strip since 1994 over here. It's the last time that we're aware that this car ever raced or anything. So this thing needs a little bit of loving. We're really excited to be putting some work into this thing, though. We have the engine and the transmission. We're slowly piecing parts together, at least for it. And I'll do a whole nother video on the engine. I won't get into that now, but it's a pretty nice little engine. Yeah, but yeah, this car is pretty much mint, as some would say. It just needs some work here and there. There's no rust on it. It's clean as can be. It's a little dusty right now, but I mean, we pulled it out of a big barn. How long do you think it sat in there? 25 years?
About 25 years.
Yeah.
It's didn't see the light of day.
Yep. So yeah, we've had this thing for a couple months now. Been slowly working on it. Hopefully next season we can make some pass in it. But hopefully start it up, and then by the next time winter's over, and we can see how the hell this thing runs. But yeah, guys, thank you very much for checking out the video here. we'll close it off here, and subscribe if you guys want to stay up to date on this. Appreciate you guys watching. Later.